Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. To describe leadership and management as two separate things is as foolish as separating an aircraft's interior from its engines. Reclining in your personal first-class cabin may satisfy your vanity, but if the plane is grounded for technical reasons, you won't achieve your goal. Conversely, flying in a stripped-out hull without seat, service, or steward may get you to your destination, but you're unlikely to choose this option if alternatives are available. Managerial leadership is in fact the correct term given to that activity that takes an enterprise and navigates the complex path by which it enters future after future. A leader always operates within a managerial context. A CEO who inspires the team to bring their best selves to work, but who lets the company lurch rudderless from crisis to crisis, is only doing half the job. While the boss with a brilliant plan, who manages by the numbers but squeezes all the creativity and autonomy from the team, will grind everyone down and ultimately fail. A political leader operates in a different managerial context to a military one, and both of them differ to one whose prime concern is that of his congregations or flock. As Stalin so brutally reminded Churchill, how many divisions does the Pope of Rome have? One can hardly imagine Pope Pius XII leading Stalin's Red Army, nor Stalin managing the Holy Roman Church, yet both were leaders. Management and leadership are two sides of the same coin. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.